The Lipton Factory had the honor of hosting the Deputy Commissioner, District Police Officer, and Deputy Director of Environment for a momentous visit. The visit began with a warm welcome in the boardroom, where the factory's leadership team presented the legacy of the Lipton brand. The discussion highlighted Kana's specific initiatives, including a newly commissioned water treatment network and an expanded solar power plant. The officials were also briefed on the factory's workforce benefits, including healthcare, nutritious meals, and opportunities for growth. The highlight of the visit was the inauguration of the state-of-the-art water treatment network. This system, with an output capacity of 20,000 liters per day, will save 7 million liters of water annually. Treated water is utilized for cleaning 2,200 solar panels and restroom facilities, meeting new standards for safe drinking water. The factory has expanded its reliance on renewable energy by increasing solar panel capacity to 1 megawatt. This significant upgrade enables us to generate 65% of our factory's energy needs from sustainable sources, producing 1.4 million kilowatt hours and saving 215,000 euros annually. That's enough clean energy to power 500 homes. This remarkable achievement was officially inaugurated by government officials, who joined us for a meaningful discussion on sustainable practices and our shared vision for a greener future. The visit concluded with a smog awareness walk, organized at the request of the Deputy Commissioner Officer. Factory workers and officials joined hands to raise awareness about the importance of combating smog and building a cleaner environment. Government officials shared their heartfelt testimonials, commending Lipton's unwavering commitment to sustainability and community development. Their endorsement serves as a powerful testament to Lipton's positive impact on the environment and society. The Lipton Factory remains a beacon of sustainability and innovation, committed to making a positive impact on the environment and its community. Together, we're brewing a brighter, greener future. Lipton, creating a world where sustainability is always in season.